Hello guys, I am Muzammil and you are watching my YouTube channel. Welcome to my YouTube family. Guys, I decided to change my cell phone cover. So I went to local market, I checked here, I checked there, but unfortunately I couldn't find the right one. So I decided to order online. I placed an order online and this morning finally I received it. This is for Xiaomi Mi A1. Guys, let's unbox it and see what's inside. I am really excited and I know you are excited too. So guys, I am unboxing it. You can see that I am holding it. I received this morning this one. Let's unbox it nicely and let's see what's inside, guys. So this is my address. So this is the iPhone device. Yeah, this is the device. This is instruction. This is so this is the cover. I will keep inside these things. Yeah. So guys. It's so nice. It's so nice. Yes. So guys, this is half to half carbon fiber textured soft silicone case. Actually the color is navy blue. So you can see this is its design. First I tell you about this design. You can see this thing can cover your phone. This thing you can see, and protect your phone from dirt, scratches and shock. This cover is a shock proof function. All buttons and corners are elevated. This cover has raised edges. Guys, this cover you can see has raised edges that can really protect of your device. I think this cover built with the top quality. If we talk about the function, protect, camera dirt resistant, scratch resistant, you can see anti-skate, shock proof. Overall I am satisfied with the quality of this cover. Let's put it on my phone. It's my, so let's see. This is for sure. My A1. Guys, you can see it's nice. The raised edges can protect the screen as well. This cover built with the top quality. Overall I am satisfied. This cover very comfortable to hold and its grip very comfortable to hold and its grip. I will show you how does it look on the phone while using. So guys, it was the unboxing and review of this cover. I decided to share this experience with my YouTube family, I mean with all of you. If anyone want to purchase the same carbon fiber texture silicone soft cover, I have provided the link in below description. Please visit on that page and place an order for the same. Thank you so much guys. I hope you liked the video and you enjoyed it. Guys, I will see you on my next video. Until then, stay safe.